how to configure the RIP version 2 on ASA. In this scenario, we can take into this one ASA and one router. Okay, this one router, this is inside is 100, and I can configure into this RIP version 2 in R1 and ASA interface also. First we configure into this router 1. First go to this enable configuration terminal, interface FA 0/0, IP address is 10.1.1.1, 255.255.255.0, no shut. Next we create the loopback ID, int loopback 0. My loopback IP address is 1.1.1.1 and 255.255.255.255. This is /32. Okay, slash R1 is also configured. Show, once do show IP interface brief. I see the protocol is up, the status is up on fast ethernet 0/0, this interface, and then my loopback ID is also status up, protocol is also up. So first I configure this all interfaces. Second one, create the RIP in R1. So go to the first interface mode, go to the right router RIP and version 2. Next, no auto summary. Next, they have the two networks. One is my 10 network and second one is also one network. So we can add two networks. My first network is 10.0.0.0 and my another network is 1.0.0.0. Okay, next R1 RIP configuration is also finished. Now we go for the ASA. Okay, enable, no password, configuration terminal, int FA, int E 0/1, and my IP address is 10.1.1.7. my subnet is 255.255.255.0, no shut. Yes. Okay, next we add the router RIP in ASA. First we check it into this default routes, are there any ASA. The command is show run route, show run routes. So no, they have no default routes and no static routes. So first we create into the one static route is RIP route, router RIP and version 2, no auto summary, network is 10.0.0.0, and we can use this passive interface command, PISS, passive interface default. What is this command? What is the use of this command? Means, for suppose my default is inside is 100. For suppose we can take into this 3 or 4 routers, R2 and R3 and R4 routers. For suppose this is the inside, this is the outside, and one is the DMZ. So it can configure into the automatically. The passive interface default means, say one second, I can show this into passive interface. See, they have the 3 options: DMZ, inside, outside, and the default. For suppose whatever we can configure, we can use this default command. It's automatically configured. For suppose once we can inside the configuration, it's automatically configured the interface. Inside passive interface is default, and next no passive interface is inside. Inside is very secure level, so that's why we can use this in command. so it is very secure. So that's why we cannot add this passive interface default in inside mode. Okay, finish. Next, go to the interface mode, add the keychain interface E0/1. I can add one keychain RIP authentication mode. They have the two modes. One is this MD5 and second one is the text mode. Once we check it, see MD5, this is the text mode. It is a clear text mode. It is no secure. You can use into the MD5. It is the message digest mode. It is very secure. Okay, RIP authentication mode is MD5. Yes, and next RIP authentication key and RIP authentication key purpose I can use into the RIP 777. The ID is 1. That's it. Now we can finish this configuration. So first we can ping reachability into these two interfaces. So first we can check the verification commands. Show route. See, this is R stands for RIP. 1.1.1.1 is, this is my IP address routing. This is my subnet via 10.1.1. network. It is also configured. RIP route means this one is inside of this. Okay, so first I ping into this ASA to R1's loopback. Ping 1.1.1.1. Yes, pinging successful. It is. Yes. First we show IP route. This one is the 1.1.1.1 is the connected route, and 10.1.1.0 is also one connected route. Show IP protocols. See, my routing protocol is RIP SI Terra. This is my keychain ID. Sending version is 2 and receiving version is also 2. See, it is my fast Ethernet 0/0. This one is sending successful, means this is a 2, receiving is also 2, means is sending successful, receiving is also successful. The same via loopback is also the same thing, sending successful and receiving is also successful. And next one, routing for the networks, means it is the how many routes. They have the two routes. One is a 1.0.0 network and second one is also 10.0.0 network. See this one 1.0.0 and 10.0.0. and next routing information source. My gateway is 10.1.1.7, means this is the gateway of the ASA IP address. See, this is the 10.1.1.7 of this IP address. The distance is 120. By default it is the distance is 120. Yes, it's one. Finish. Thank you for watching.